Seems like there's always another project. I had to bring home my Trail 90 from my buddy's cabin up in the mountains. It's been up there for, probably the last 10 years. I've owned this for, close to 20 years, I guess. Yeah, it's been having ignition issues, mainly with the breaker points, which are located behind that cover. I think the shaft seal has gone bad, and oil mist is getting into the breaker point housing. And once they get coated with oil, that's it. She won't run. So yeah, I don't know if I might film that. Might be interesting. Well, I think I found the issue. This has been going on for a long time. So here's the breaker points, and I've got a piece of paper between the contact points just to insulate it so it's not making contact. And I hooked up my ohm meter to one side of the breaker point lead. It just plugs in up here. And what I found, so this wire, whenever the points close, gets grounded to case, right? So I found that it was grounded to case all the time. And this looks like our culprit right here. So this is supposed to be an insulating washer when it's attached to the points, and I think it's supposed to have insulation completely covering it. And I have replaced these points before, so this washer has failed. So looks like a pretty easy fix. And you would think after 56 years that washer would still be in perfect condition. Just made a new washer to replace the failed Bakelite one. This is some type of a high temperature gasket that I made it out of. It's probably asbestos, but I'm being careful. Alright, well, I guess it's time to test it. Well, that was it. Alright, well, that wasn't too bad. Well, while I have it here, I'm going to give it a full service. I need to change the oil, I need to adjust the valves, check the timing chain tension, adjust the clutch, yeah, yada yada yada, right? Well, back in business. Yeah, I use this for packing out deer in some serious rugged country where you can't even take an ATV, and there's really nothing else that replaces these. The key is it's got a automatic clutch, so you don't have to fight the clutch while you're trying to maneuver over boulders and logs and stuff. It's got the low range gearbox, and I've even geared it way down because we go through some really nasty country, and I use it for packing out a deer. I'll have a deer on the back, all strapped down, and there's really nothing else that will do it. You can buy these new, but the new ones that are made in China, I think that's where they're made. They don't have the low range gearbox, which is the key thing.